I saw the freaking camera.
Prank.
Hello. Yeah. What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Hallie Shay. We are back with another vlog. It is Saturday and today we are going to buy an iMac. So we bought an iMac. So you're probably wondering why it's on the floor. Well, I gotta rearrange my room and nothing fits. Actually, the problem is the outlets. We have one set of American outlets out here. We gotta put our heads together and find a solution. Because you don't know German.
You don't know a lot of things.
I know more about American Girl dolls than you do. Genius. We're gonna rearrange the room.
You didn't even introduce who everyone was.
No one cares. Before.
You say you can't live without me, so why aren't you dead yet? Why are you still breathing? If you say you can't live without me, then why aren't you dead yet? Why do you say that?
What's going on, eh? Breakfast. Why are you doing that?
You tried.
You thought.
We about to go get something to eat. You already know what it is. It's your boy, Skinny Peep. Alright, we really gotta go.
Okay, so we finished the room. Here's the bed. This is what happened. We took this out. We took that out because it used to be there. Moved it over there. Yeah? Cool. Slid the bed down towards the wall. Moved the bean bag. Actually, moved everything, so just freaking look at it. We moved Boomer. Boomer was standing over there. He moved right here. And the reason we did it all, to set up the iMac. We're just feasting.
I'm eating a raisin cookie. Comment down below if you don't like raisin cookies, because I'm sure no one does.
Yeah, if you get to this point in the video, comment if you like raisin cookies or not.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 15,000 likes, alright? Just smash that like button.
Hello. On the dark side, does anybody here wanna be my friend? That was good. Okay, ready, spaghetti? Do the we're gonna do the ew.
Ow!
Hey YouTube, we're bowling and I'm beating you 55 to 40. So how do you feel about that?
Okay, that's just, we're in like, what?
But let's go to Terrace and look for the bit. They have the pit.
It's the fourth inning.
Fourth frame. Beating me by 15 points. We're here with our man Gene. Our man Zoe.
Just finished bowling. Let's talk about the fact that I won twice.
You say you beat me twice.
I did beat you twice.
You did. You didn't have to tell the world.
Fun fact, we bowled with these guys named Lewis and Clark.
I'll tell this story. She said, hey, let's go bowling. I invited one of my friends, and then he said, no, I don't want to go. Invite my other friend, Zoe. Zoe was like, hey, is it okay if I invite I'm going to bring my friend named Clark. So we get to bowling alley, and they're just sitting by each other, Zoe and Clark. But Zoe's last name is Lewis, and Clark's last name is Clark. Wait a minute. You said his name's Clark, right? I said, yeah, I guess. I just met him. And she's like, that's Lewis and Clark.
That was an extremely long explanation. Anyway, we just bowled with Lewis and Clark, so we're pretty famous.
What did they do again?
You probably shouldn't say this on the internet. Embarrass yourself.
Dude, obviously.
Exploration with like Sacagawea, right? Pocahontas.
The gas is draining as we
You
speak.
have enough.
So,
oh my God!
we
It's not gonna move. It's in there, secure, baby.
Is it? Let's check.
Oh, you're the worst driver I know.
That really hurts when you say that. It might not hurt you because you're a female and you're just born bad. You're gonna die eventually. Everybody dies. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
It's like everybody uses those
Secure, baby. Is it?
Tell me it's okay. Tell me it's okay. Tell me it's okay to be happy now.
Oreo McFlurries.
And then I want fries.
You know, my turning radius ain't gonna make this.
Your uniform's brown in Europe. Like, it's just so gross looking. Brown and black don't match. Everybody knows that. So I bought an iMac to get serious about vlogging and editing and to do schoolwork. And Boomer is playing cool math games on it.
If you haven't played Sugar on cool math games, man, you ain't living life.
So it's now Sunday, and I didn't vlog anything today because all we did was go to church and eat food.
Don't film me.
So we're just chillaxing. It's like, what, 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
6
about
o'clock?
6 o'clock.
Been watching Friends, editing videos. I'm about to FaceTime the parents, the rents.
The Rents. Two Beats by Dr. Dre. The Beats 10. They're coming out. What's so funny?
Thanks for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe for more content. Smash that like button.
And stay blessed.
Count your blessings and smile.
Yeah.
Bye.
I messed it up.
Let's go. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know?